Hi, this is Ankush Rekha Arun Sharma and today's date is 10 April 2024 and today's my topic is based on core Java which is operator in Java. So first of all, let's discuss the operators in Java. What is operators? So operators is a kind of symbol which is we use in Java programming to operate the values, like do the operations in value or the data members. So there are some types of operators which is arithmetic, relational, logical, conditional, assignment, instance of operators and the bitwise operators. So let's get into it. So first of all we'll discuss the arithmetic operators. So in arithmetic operators there are available plus operator which is used with that plus sign, addition operator. Second is subtraction operator which is that minus, multiply operators, star, divide operators, and slash. These are the arithmetic operations which we use to do the arithmetic operations in our program. If we want to do the subtraction in method, if you wanna subtraction of two numbers, then we'll use that subtraction arithmetic operator in that program. So these are the arithmetic operators. After that, there are relational operators. So relational operators means it is like relational means that greater than, less than, or equal to. These are the relational operators. If we want to say that num1 is greater than num2, then there we will use that relational operator which is greater than operator, like this. So these are the relational operator. And also there are the logical operators which is logical and, logical or, and also double equal to, which compares two values are same. So these are the logical operator. If we are using double and, so in that method, in that particular point, both our conditions must be true, then only the logical and operator use. Or if we are using that logical or, then it means in that both conditions, at least one condition must be true, then logical or gets applied. So this is the logical operators. After that, there are bitwise operators, which is and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, that sign XOR, and also there are left shift, right shift. These are the bitwise operators. After that, there are assignment operators. If we are doing number is equal to number plus 1, then we can write that number plus is equal to. It means the addition is performing there. This is the addition assignment operator. After that, we can use minus is equal to, it means we are doing there the subtractor assignment. After that, we can use slash is equal to, it means we are performing divide operator. Or if we are doing star, it means that we are performing their multiply operator. So these are the assignment operators. After that, there are instance of operators. It is used to check. It checks that class is an instance of that object. So this is used. After that, also there is a ternary operators, the conditional operators. Okay, so these are some operators that we use in our program for performing operations within the both variables or the data members. So yeah, thank you.